Hey curl girls, welcome back to my channel. It's Mercedes McKenzie and I am back with another curly hair routine. I haven't did a curly hair routine in about probably a year. Like I would say like close to a year now. A lot of things have definitely changed. I bleached my hair since then, so I have a whole new regimen. Like I have a whole new system of things I do, products I use. Like it's like a whole new thing, okay? So I am here for my girlies that have curly bleached hair and you're trying to figure out how to keep that moisture locked in. I have the perfect routine for y'all, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that. But enough rambling, enough talking, let's get into the video. Just took my hair out the ponytail. It is dry. I washed my hair about 2 or 3 hours ago. It's 9:39. It is super late, y'all, but I washed my hair 2 or 3 hours ago, so my hair is fairly dry. I did comb it out, so you can't really see any of my curl now because after I got out the shower, I combed it out real quick and all that. So yeah, enough rambling. Let's get into the video. The oil I'll be using is the Jamaican black castor oil. Y'all been subscribed to me. This is like, I always use this, okay? Like I've been using this since high school, so I'll be using this in my hand. Well, really a lot because I got a lot of hair. And I just rub that together. And I literally, first I like to get the roots, guys. I definitely like to get my roots, then I get my ends. And I like to do my roots because I just like to give myself a good scalp massage when but I like giving myself a scalp massage when I'm doing my curly hair routines. And for y'all that didn't know, scalp massages does help promote hair growth, so that's why I do like to give myself a little massage. And yeah, we're gonna work that product all the way to the ends. So next, I like to get my water bottle. Y'all, please invest in a water bottle. This just has water in it, but I do suggest putting a little bit of conditioner and oil into your water bottle. Part my hair. And when my hair is dry, I like to work in sections. I don't really work in sections when I'm doing my curly hair routines, but when my hair is dry, that's a whole nother story. But I'm just gonna turn around so y'all can see me do that. Alright y'all, so I just parted my hair in half in the back and clipped the other side up. And I'll be using Cantu leave-in conditioner. This will be the first product I apply to all the sections of my hair, so keep that in mind. Okay, so the next product is the flaxseed and olive oil styling gel. I like to apply that second just so it doesn't have that crunchy feel. Alright, so next, well last, is the curl activating cream. And this really helps smooth everything out so that we don't have that crunchy feel from the gel. That's why we did a leave-in conditioner first. So a cream, a gel, and then another cream. And I'll be applying these same steps throughout each section of my hair. So next step is the dim brush. I like to go in with this sometimes because it just helps my curls have more of a ringlet pattern because I have so many curl patterns, y'all. Like I have an S curl, I got ringlets, I got 4A. Like I have so many curl patterns throughout my hair, and the dim brush, it just helps give it that same curl pattern. All right, y'all. I know my hair look uneven, but don't mind it. Like literally the middle of my hair is the tightest curl pattern and I have a tad bit of heat damage. So just ignore that. I promise my hair is even. All right, do y'all remember that heat damage I was talking about earlier? Well, here it is. Like in this section, I do have a tad bit of heat damage, so I like to either do finger coils or use my Denman brush and kind of curl my hair with that. So So now I just get some of that curl activating cream and apply that to my edges. And I also kind of like to just flip my hair. I don't like a perfect part. So I just do a little, a little whoop, a little swoop. Okay, so this is my hair with the product in and fully dry. How do y'all like it? Like my hair has so much body. It doesn't feel crunchy. Like I know people say when they use Cantu, their hair feel crunchy, but my hair feels very fluffy. It's full. Like this is day one hair and it looks super good. And my hair feels really moisturized as well. Like it doesn't feel brittle. But if you guys follow me on my other social media platforms, y'all know I have a whole garden where I grow all my herbs. So I do show like me using those products on my hair, so I'm gonna add that to YouTube as well. But as y'all guys know, I did bleach my hair about 6 months ago, so it's major that I keep my hair moisturized. So this routine definitely keeps it moisturized, keeps my curls bouncy, and this usually lasts within like 3 to 4 days. So this routine is definitely a go-to. I love how my curls come out every time. A 360, so y'all can see the full product and give me y'all honest review. This is the final result of my curly hair routine. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, and turn on my post notifications so y'all know when I upload another curly hair video. So that is it. Make sure y'all leave me some comments below. Let me know what y'all want to see in the future, and I'll see y'all later. Mwah.